Saudi officials have shown a united front at the International Investors Conference in Riyadh, which is being boycotted by a number of Western banks, companies and media outlets in the wake of Khashoggi's death. U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin has cancelled attendance at the conference, but he met quietly with Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman on Monday. The prince addressed the killing publicly on Wednesday.
First of all, the crime was really painful to all Saudis. And I believe it is painful to every human in the world. It is a heinous crime that cannot be justified.
The Crown Prince also said the attempts to use this painful event to drive a wedge in Saudi-Turkish relations will not succeed.
This wedge will not happen, and we will prove to the world that the two governments are cooperating to see that all perpetrators are taken to court and justice will be seen at the end.
The U.S. administration has revoked U.S. visas for Saudi agents implicated in the case, but it has not cancelled any business deals with the kingdom, arms sales being the most lucrative of them. British Prime Minister Theresa May was criticized in Parliament Wednesday for not revoking arms sales to Saudi Arabia.
What more evidence of criminality does the Prime Minister need before she fully commits to ending the sales of arms to the brutal regime in Saudi Arabia?
Saudi Arabia needs arms for its intervention in Yemen, where it is helping the government fight Iran-backed Houthi rebels. The violence has had an enormous toll on Yemeni civilians, but it is only after Khashoggi's death that there has been a global demand to stop arms sales to the Saudis, says a Belgium-based international arms sales expert.
But it's hard to say if that will be some kind of the tipping point for some kind of a global initiative on prohibiting arms exports to Saudi Arabia, because several countries still have important geopolitical and economic reasons to not stop arms exports to Saudi Arabia.
President Trump has argued that arms sales to Saudi Arabia support the creation of thousands of new jobs for Americans, and that the kingdom is an important U.S. ally against Iran. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.